Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video we're gonna repair this Panasonic 42-inch plasma TV. This is actually my second Panasonic plasma with the same symptoms. Basically what happens is just like shuts off, it turns off randomly. So sometimes you can have it on for about an hour or maybe it's 2 hours and it just turns off randomly. In order for you to turn it back on, sometimes you have to unplug the power and just let it sit for a few minutes, plug the power back in and turn it back on, and that usually does the trick. But once again, it just kind of turns off again randomly after an hour or so. So the problem with this particular plasma TVs is that although they came with a system of fans to keep it cool, heat is the #1 problem in these sets. So what we're looking at here is basically we need to resolder our power board, which is located right here, and also just unscrew the Y sustain board and take a look at it just to make sure that all the solder is fine. So I've already unscrewed my power board so that I can show you the soldering. Let me zoom in here. Okay, so basically what I like to do usually when I have these kind of problems is that you can just grab one of those permanent markers, Sharpie, and just gonna inspect the solder around the power board. So what I like to do is just basically I circle the solder that looks kind of dried up, and so I do like a full inspection. Just make sure I check pretty much everything that I need to check, and once you mark all the solder that you think it's kind of dried up, that doesn't look that great, then you can actually just go ahead and start resorting those parts. So basically a bad solder just looks like it's dried up. It's not making good contact with the circuit, and so that's why you need to resolder. So you might want to do a full inspection the first time so you don't have to take back the power board again for the second inspection after you turn on the TV. Also, like I said, you just want to make sure that you check the Y sustain board just in case there's problems with the solder there too. So after you resolder the components, go ahead and turn the TV back on. Just make sure you leave it on for several hours at a time before you actually close it and put the screws back on the back of the TV. Just leave it open. Just make sure it's in a safe place where no one can reach on the back, and just give it a try for a week or two before you actually close it, just to make sure that you actually resolder the correct component, because you don't want to leave it on for an hour and then just close and then find out that you actually needed to reopen it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is my second set, same problem. So just resolder and just give it a try, several hours, a few days before you actually close the panel, and that should do it. Thank you for watching.